That a humanoid robot in the UK learned how to walk in just 48 hours? That MIT can turn spoken words into real physical objects? And that in China, an AI traffic cop is already directing real cars on real streets? This is not science fiction. This is not a future prediction. This is happening right now. Let's break down what just changed and why it matters. Let's start in China, because this story sets the tone for everything else. On December 5th, at the Greater Bay Area New Economy Forum, Media Group quietly revealed something that could redefine factory automation. The robot is called Miro U. At first glance, it looks humanoid, a human height, head, and torso designed to fit perfectly into workstations made for people. Instead of 2 arms, it has 6 fully articulated bionic arms. This robot isn't trying to copy humans. Miro U moves on wheels, not legs. That means 0 balance issues, faster repositioning, and higher stability. It can rotate 360 degrees in place, adjust its height vertically, lift heavy parts, perform precision assembly, and swap tools, all without stopping. The focus isn't realism. The focus is output. Lower arms handle heavy lifting. Upper arms handle precision tasks. This robot is already scheduled to enter a high-end washing machine factory this month. This isn't a one-off experiment. Media has now split its humanoid robotics strategy into 2 paths: Miro series for industrial environments, MEA series for service roles like retail and home use. Retail humanoids are planned to guide customers and run demos as early as 2026. Media acquired German robotics giant KUKA, built state-level robotics labs, and launched a humanoid innovation center. Miro is now its 3rd-generation humanoid, and the first designed to surpass human physical limits while still fitting human workspaces. Now let's jump to the UK. Here's the headline. It learned how to walk 48 hours after final assembly. For context, humans take about a year. Most robots take weeks or months. Alpha did it in 2 days. Even more shocking, the entire robot went from design to working prototype in just 5 months. The industry average? Around 2 years. How? Heavy use of simulation. Using NVIDIA's Isaac Sim and reinforcement learning, Alpha trained millions of seconds in virtual environments before ever touching the real world. This robot isn't just walking. It can turn, sidestep, squat, recover from pushes, and perform precision manipulation. The goal? Fill labor shortages in manufacturing and eventually assist elderly or physically limited individuals at home. Interestingly, humanoid didn't start with legs. They launched a wheeled robot first because wheels are faster, safer, and already work perfectly in flat warehouses and factories. The company has already raised $50 million, logged thousands of pre-orders, and is fully booked for early 2026 deployments. Now let's talk about something that changes creation itself. The pipeline combines speech recognition, large language models, 3D generative AI, geometric validation, and robotic fabrication. So far, it's produced furniture like stools, shelves, chairs, and tables, and even decorative items. This isn't about replacing factories overnight. It's about collapsing the distance between idea and object. Just like text-to-image changed creativity, speech-to-object could transform prototyping, custom manufacturing, and small-batch production. In Hangzhou, China, a humanoid AI traffic robot has officially started directing real traffic. It wears a traffic police uniform, moves on omnidirectional wheels, and uses smooth, precise gestures to guide cars and pedestrians. This isn't a demo. It's active duty. Authorities plan to expand deployment across the city and integrate large language models for voice interaction and public assistance. An AI traffic management team is already being planned. These systems are piloting, deploying, and scaling right now. The question isn't if robots will change the world, it's how fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.